Okay, so I am working on my 03 Explorer Limited. I'm doing some painting on the front end, just doing some black to separate colors because of the red. But anyways, I am also wiring up some light rings to my wheels that I made myself. They sell this exact same thing on a couple websites, but they're like $200-300. I've got maybe 30, maybe 40 bucks into them, but that's what they are. I took aluminum and did made a ring out of it, bent it to the around the rotors and everything. Make sure they fit inside your wheel where they won't rub. But I just wanted to show you guys how to wire these up if you guys are planning on doing it. The driver's side, or the driver's side and passenger side wiring are the same. This middle wire right here is the one you're going to splice into to run the lights. This other wire right here, this one's going to this one goes to the back of my hood scoop, which is, I got turn signals in them. So I've got quite a few things wired up. With the front end, it's easier just to splice into one wire for the headlights, and that's always going to be the middle wire. Front and back are always going to be the middle wire, and then run your ground to right here, one on each side. I haven't done this side yet, but I've got the back ones already done up. But like you see here, middle one is going to be your ground, your positive, and then your black is your negative. I'll turn these on so you guys can see them. And you see, these things look good as hell at night, so, and it's cheaper than buying them new. And you see, I got it all wired up. So, if you guys got any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Another thing is, when you're wiring these up on your Ford Explorers or your Mountaineers, or even the Expeditions and F-150s, they're all the same. Make sure you locate your running lights. You turn your running lights on, like mine are on the top, and then the blue one is for your turn signal. So, yeah, like I said, make sure you locate the right bulb to be doing this. But anyways, if you guys got any comments, leave them in the, or questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible.